Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making banana oatmeal bars. This is such a great recipe if you have some leftover very ripe bananas. So let's start. In a bowl add 2 ripe bananas. Mash this all up with a fork. Add in a teaspoon of cinnamon and add some nutmeg and the raisins. Grate the zest of 1 lemon into the mixture as well. Add some almond extract. You can also use vanilla extract, but I love the flavor of almonds. Mix this together and set aside. In a pan melt your butter. Add in the brown sugar and salt. Put in 2 spoons of honey and make sure everything is mixed and melted. Now add in the oatmeal. Make sure everything is coated nicely and add this mixture to the banana mixture we just set aside. Mix everything together. Add it to a square oven or baking dish lined with parchment paper and spread it out nice and evenly. Bake this in a 180 degrees Celsius oven for 25 minutes. When it has come out of the oven, allow it to cool before cutting it. Look at the inside. Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one.